Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Oyeyindaki's Kitchen. On today's video, I'll be making homemade fried chicken, the KFC type. So guys, stay tuned to find out how Oyeyindaki achieves this recipe, and I do thank you for watching. You all know it's game time in America, so let's roll our sleeves and get the chicken wings and chicken and drumstick into a delicious crunchy fried chicken. I have the chicken wings here all washed and clean, and as well as the drumsticks, and I do have a array of spices here. I'll be putting the list in the description box, so don't forget to check it up. I will be using all-purpose flour here. I have Panko breadcrumb, and I do have some cornstarch as well, just a little, and I have milk as well to get the ingredients going, and I'll be using 1 egg for this recipe, and as well as soy sauce. So guys, I'll be putting the list of all the ingredients used for this delicious recipe in the description box. Don't forget to look it up, and I do thank you for watching. I will start by sifting the all-purpose flour to avoid some crumbs into the mix. I'll be adding some cornstarch as well, and I'll be getting it. Remember the Panko breadcrumbs, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So this is what the Panko breadcrumbs looks like. So this is amazing mix to get all the crunchiness you're looking for in the chicken. So I'll be adding some Panko breadcrumbs here as well. So I'll be adding our ingredients into the mix. So I'm going to put the list in the description box, so check the list to find out all the delicious and flavorful spices we are using, and of course our salt to taste. So we're gonna get this well marinated, everything in the bowl. So we're going to whisk all together to mix completely. Guys, it smells so good here. It smells amazing. And I'll be adding a little soy sauce into the mix. Just a little, and some black pepper. Add some milk, and now we'll be adding the egg. We're going to mix nicely to combine. If you need more milk and the consistency you're looking for, just go ahead and add some more, and that's what I'll be doing as well here, to get my desired consistency. Alright, so we're going to get the flour for where we coat our chicken ready. I'm going to sift some flour, all-purpose flour, remember, and a little more of cornstarch, just a little. And I'll be adding some onions, powdered onions here, just for flavor. I'll be adding some lemon salt as well, a little bit of each, and I still need some chicken seasoning, just a little bit. We want it to be really seasoned, and some little nutmeg, guys. So we're going to mix this all together. This is going to add some flavor into the flour mix. If you need more flour, please adjust to the quantity of chicken you're making. And this is ready. Okay, we are going to get our oil going, so we want to heat up our pan right now, and I'm going to be doing a deep fry, so that's why we have a large pot. So we're gonna get this in, and I'm using vegetable oil for this recipe. Feel free to use any oil of your choice, and I do thank all of you for watching. All right guys, we are going to start by getting our chicken. Let's start with the chicken drum. So you're going to coat nicely into the mix, remember. Yeah, we're going to add them and leave them to marinate for a few minutes before we continue, because I want the ingredients to all sink in to give our chicken a very delicious taste on the inside. So I'm going to mix to coat everything so nicely. All right guys, so after few minutes, our chicken is ready, well marinated. Now we are going to be taking them one after the other and then coat them nicely with the flour. Remember the flour that we mix with some seasoning. So you coat them nicely. And Mommy Ace's Kitchen give a tip that you have to use cold water to soak the chicken. Let's try her magic, guys. I want you guys to see this thing very nicely. So you dip it in the water, and the water is meant to do what? Coat the chicken. You can see everything is still in here, and you put it back and coat it back. So guys, you can see our chicken is well coated now. Remember, we used Mommy Ace's tips to, so now you set aside. We are gonna do a few before we start frying. So I'm picking up another chicken, and we are going to coat with some flour. Make sure you coat nicely so everything will be completely covered in flour. And like I said, we are using Mommy Ace's kitchen tips. Don't forget to visit Mommy Ace as well. I'll be leaving her link in the description box. So now we are going to dip it in the cold water. Do remember, cold water. Dip it in. Guys, you can see the magic. Everything still stays intact. Then you coat one more time. You put in the flour right on the chicken and coat nicely to cover. And we are ready to fry. So guys, we are ready to fry, and we'll be dipping it into our oil. It's quite ready now. Make sure you don't crowd your pan, so give them a little space to breathe, and that's what we are doing here. And I do thank you guys for watching my video today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Share me out if you're a content creator, my oldies and my new subscribers. Thank you for choosing Oyoyo Ndoke's Kitchen for your delightful recipes. I do thank you guys. So guys, you can see the chicken is looking good already, and it's still frying because we need it to cook right inside. Looking amazing, and I tell you guys, it smells so good. Just look at it. So let's leave it to fry more because we need it to be thoroughly done. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned. So guys, our chicken is ready right now. You can see it looking so golden brown. Yeah, I tell you, it's very, very crunchy. Very, very, very crunchy. And we're going to set them aside and fry in some more. See, just look at the crunchiness. All right, so I'm going to get it more into the pan. Do remember not to crowd your pan. Okay, I do thank you, all of you, for watching me today and watching Oyoyo's Kitchen. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. I do thank you for watching. So guys, you can see our chicken is coming out so nicely. You can see this one's already. Just look at it. Take a look. I tell you, it's so crunchy. And this is the second batch because my family is busy munching. Honestly, Mommy Essie's recipe working so nicely. See how the whole coating is all still on the chicken, looking so nice, and I tell you, it's very crunchy as well. So we'll continue to fry the remaining, and I do thank all of you for watching. So guys, this is my final product. You can see the chicken is looking so amazing. Very, very tasty, delicious, and so crunchy. This is homemade fried chicken. So guys, let me know in the comment section what you think. Compare it to KFC and let me know what you think. It's absolutely amazing, very delicious. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to dig in, guys. Just look at Negodi. Look at. Woo! I'm so excited. I can't wait to dig in, and I do thank all of you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell to receive my videos whenever I post them. I do thank you guys. Thank you guys. So guys, just hear the crunching. Oh my god, and it cooked right to the bone. This is amazing. Oh my goodness. Absolutely delicious, guys. So delicious. I do thank all of you for watching. Do give this recipe a try and tell me in the comment section what you think. Thank you.